हेलो गाइस, इट्स मी आशिका। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो शायद आप सब सोच रहे होंगे मैं कभी कभी आती हूँ यूट्यूब पे। ओके, आई डिसअपियर देन आई कम बैक अगेन, बट दिस टाइम आई प्रॉमिस टू माई सेल्फ आई विल ट्राई टू stay consistent as much as possible. And I want to talk to you guys. I want to talk to you guys about so many things. मुझे बिल्कुल भी प्रिटेंड नहीं करना है अपने चैनल पे। जस्ट द वे आई एम, आई विल प्रेजेंट इट टू यू गाइस। द वे आई एम बिकमिंग, द पर्सन आई एम बिकमिंग इज़ रियली ग्रेट एंड आई एम ट्रूली लविंग हर. And I want to announce that I have completed 107 days of being consistent in running and walking every single day. So basically, I don't run daily, but I aim to show up every day for a minimum of 5 kilometers of walk or 5 kilometers of run, keeping one day in a week as a long run day where I do 10 kilometers or beyond. I've done 3 times 21 kilometers, and my next goal is to do 30 kilometers. So, yes, I never thought I will be able to do anything in life with so much consistency, dedication, truthfulness. It really feels like I have built a system around me which can now make me achieve anything in life because I have done this. And honestly, I was looking for a sport. I was looking to be fit first and then move to other areas in my life because fitness is very important. It regulates your mood, it keeps you ready for the future, it makes you believe in yourself that you're made to do hard things. And with that, I start this series of mine where I record my college life. I mean, almost 2 years are over, just 1 year of my college is left. But I think it's never too late to start. And yeah, I will take you guys along with me. I will take you guys along with my academic journey. I will tell you stories about my college life. Uh, I will tell you about my personal life, basically, as much as I could tell. So yeah, it will be really fun. I can't believe I'm actually starting it, and now when I start things, I know I will make an end to it. I really want to be a very good mom in the future, down to, I mean, after 10 years, when my kids see me, they should not see me only as okay, mom does business, okay, mom is only going to office and coming back. There's nothing interesting about mom, and that will really hurt me, right? But on the other hand, if they know these stuff about me, that I'm also a runner, I'm also doing things in life, I'm also a stage artist, they will be really proud of me. And of course, my parents are proud of me, they will be proud of me. When you have big dreams in life, along the way, you see versions of people you have never seen. You will know who are your supporters, who are your haters, and you will see a lot of true side of people. You will get distant to some of them, but all that is signaling to your growth, your potential. That means you are aiming big, that means you are achieving something great, and it's always okay to take a break from people who don't have similar ambitions as you have, because you have all the right to achieve them because you are working hard towards it. And yes, with that, I want to say this to myself and also to you, that you can do this. You can do this. Use it. Use your pretty face. Use your connections. Use your leverages. Use your unfair advantage. Because honestly, everyone else is using. And if you are not using it, then you are just not smart enough. And you're just letting your resources go away. I'm right now in Mumbai from the past 2 years. I don't leave a single chance to meet new people, to show up, to go out, go out there, put myself out there in uncomfortable situations, in debates, in competitions. I've done everything in my first year as possible, which made me this confident today. This confidence did not come in one day. If you go to my channel, I've made videos when I was in school, when I was in 10th grade, when I was in ninth grade, when I was in 11th grade, when I was transitioning from, college, from school to college. That thing was always there with me. But due to academic pressure, due to some reasons, some people not supporting me, or I myself, I did not support my dream. I thought I was not capable enough. I thought I was not pretty enough to be in front of the camera. That's the biggest lie I've told myself, because I'm pretty as hell. And this confidence only came through self love, it came through self expression, it came through a lot of journaling, it came through a lot of, not therapy, but definitely talking to people who feels nothing less than a therapy. And I'm grateful to each one of you guys who support me, who follow me on Instagram. You genuinely mean a lot to me, and we will become very big together in this. I've seen rock bottom. I will want to talk about all those stories in future. Just tag along. Yeah, conversations are gonna be really real here, and it's gonna be brutal. So be ready. Take care.